Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Hare.
Don't forget, grab your smartphone and download the Lava Matra app and stay in touch. Guru Maharaj's message is your advantage. The following is a reading from the new Sri Krishna Chaitanya book by His Holiness Jaya Pataka Swami Maharaj on June 29th, 2020 in Sridham, Mayapur, India.
Mukhakaroti Vacanam Pangulang Ayategarim Katipatamahan Mande Sri Gurum Nidharinam Paramanandavadavam Sri Chaitanya Islam Hare Om Tat Sat. Today we're reading about a drama that Lord Chaitanya performed at Mama Thakur's house.
So today we are reading about a drama performed by Lord Chaitanya at Mama Thakur's house.
But before we start the class, we just like to request the devotees to intensify their prayers for Bhakti to Swami. Since
Before we start the class, we would like to request the devotees to intensify their prayers to His Holiness Bhakti Charu Swami, since
he was making some progress, but recently not so much.
he was making some progress, but recently not so much.
I think that we need to increase our prayers.
I think that we need to increase our prayers.
So pleases Krishna that he may recover.
It so pleases Krishna, he may recover.
Now this is a discussion between the actresses.
This is a discussion between the actresses.
Maitri, or personified friendship.
Maitri, personified
Friendship.
friendship,
And Prema Bhakti, personified Prema Bhakti.
and Prema Bhakti, personified Prema Bhakti.
Chaitanya Charitamrita.
আচার্য রত্নের গৃহে প্রভুর লক্ষ্মী বেশে নৃত্য, তবে আচার্যের ঘরে কইল কৃষ্ণ লীলা, রুক্মিণী আদি রূপ প্রভু যাতে আপনে হইলা।
Thereafter, a dramatization of Krishna's pastime was performed in the house of Sri Chandrasekhara Acharya. The Lord personally took the part of Rukmini, the foremost of Krishna's queens. Chaitanya Chandrodaya Nataka 3.1. Maitri enters. Maitri said, Alas, alas, I heard that my kinsman Vairagya is barely alive. I don't know where he is. He also does not know that even I am alive, only in name only. Therefore, I will look for him. She looks in all directions. Ah, who is this coming in front?
So the personified friendship is discussing how her relative Vairagya, the personified renunciation, is almost dead.
The personified friendship is describing how the personified Vairagya is almost dead
Because of the influence of Kali Yuga.
because of the influence of Kali Yuga.
The principles of renunciation, friendship,
The principles of renunciation, friendship,
They are alive only in name.
They are alive only in name.
So this is the drama unfolds.
So this is drama in
The drama unfolds.
unfold. Taking the Chaitanya Chandrodaya Nataka 3.2. Taking the shelter of Sanskrit. A blissful form like a nectarian liquid, flooding all direction with the splendor of its limbs, glancing with the eyes of mercy and purifying everyone's heart completely, now approaches.
Who cannot be? Who cannot be?
Who cannot be? Who cannot be? Who could be? Who could be? She gazes with wonder. Prema Bhakti enters.
Wow! Hello!
Prema Bhakti says, glancing in front, "Ah, who is this slowly coming before me? Who is unhappy? Whose splendor crushed? Body alive in name only, and gazing me with longing."
Since all the qualities of the Lord
Since all the qualities of the Lord
have personalities,
have personalities,
just like the holy tirthas
just like the holy Tirthas
have a personality or deity,
have a personality or deity,
or Ganga Devi, Yamuna Devi.
like Ganga Devi, Yamuna Devi.
So this personified Prema Bhakti is seeing how
So this personified Prema Bhakti is seeing how
this personified friendship is almost dead.
the personified friendship is almost dead. Chaitanya Chandrodaya Nataka 3.4. Maitri replied, looking carefully, "Ah, seen from the symptoms, this is Mother Prema Bhakti. Approaching her, I will bow down to her. Approaching, Goddess, I known by the name Maitri, bow down to you." Prema Bhakti said with surprise, "How are you, Maitri? Come, daughter, come." And she embraced Maitri. "Maitri, tell me, why so unhappy? Do you wander all alone?" Maitri replied, "When my groups were defeated by Kali's friends, overcome with fear, I fled for my life. Therefore, why do you ask about my misfortune?"
So these good qualities of the human being
So these good qualities of the human beings
are defeated by the forces of Kali,
were defeated by the forces of Kali,
by the illicit sex, gambling, intoxication, and meat eating.
by the illicit sex, intoxication, gambling, and meat eating,
and hoarding of gold.
and hoarding of gold.
So these bad habits destroy one's natural good qualities.
This bad habit destroys one's natural good habit.
So this drama is written in Sanskrit language,
This drama is written in the Sanskrit language,
and I was just reading the translation.
We are just reading the translation. Prema Bhakti said, "Daughter, don't be afraid and stay with me hereafter. I am the sister of your grandmother." Maitri said, "How is that?" Prema Bhakti said, "Note this from the beginning. My father by name is Bhagavad Anugraha, mercy of the Lord, and mother Bhagavad Jana Asakti, attachment to the Lord's devotees, gave birth to numerous offsprings in the course of time."
She's showing the history of offspring of the Lord,
She is showing the history of the offspring of the Lord,
of the Lord's devotees.
of the Lord's devotees. Among them was a son named Viveka, discrimination, and there were many daughters known by the names Bhakti, Sadhana Bhakti, Bhava Bhakti, Prema Bhakti, etc. Viveka and his wife Mati, thoughtfulness, as a daughter named Anusuya, non-envy. Further, Anusuya married Samabhava, equanimity, and had two sons, Swabhava, naturalness, and Shuddha, purity, and source of my happiness, you as a daughter, Maitri.
Now, in this way, she, Bhakti, showed how she's a sister of her grandmother, and so like she's like a granddaughter.
So in this way, Prema Bhakti showed how she is the sister of a grandmother. In this way, she is like her granddaughter. Further, there are many daughters of Bhagavad Anugraha, the mercy of the Lord, and Bhagavad Jana Asakti, attachment to Lord's devotees. First obtained two groups, Sarasa with Rasa and Nirasa, dry without Rasa. Nirasa, devoid of Rasa, obtained many forms due to the association of Guna, modes of material nature, and Sarasa obtained 10 forms, 9 processes of Bhakti and Prema Bhakti.
Actually, it shows how these qualities
Actually,
come
it shows how the qualities come
through various influences.
through various influences.
By combination of appreciation of devotees to the Lord,
By culmination of appreciation of the devotees to the Lord,
and by mercy of the Lord.
by mercy of the Lord.
These two things produce many other good qualities.
So these two things produce many other good qualities. Among the bhakti named Sarasa, the following 6: Ujjvala Rasa, conjugal love; Adbhuta Rasa, wonder; Shanta Rasa, neutrality; Hasya Rasa, humor; Prema Rasa, love for Prema Bhakti; and Vatsalya Rasa, parenthood, are the best. Thus, these 6 types of bhakti are fit for rati, attachment to the Lord. Maitri replied, the best is Prema Rasa Bhakti. Prema Bhakti replied, yes, it has been said that Prema Bhakti is like an ocean of all rasas, and ecstasies are like waves that arise and fall in it.
So, you can see why Prema Bhakti is so effulgent
So we will see why Prema Bhakti is so effulgent
and she is unaffected by the influence of Kali.
and why she is unaffected by the influence of Kali.
We should all take shelter of Prema Bhakti.
So we should all take shelter of Prema Bhakti. All types of rasa are called as fragmented happiness, and Prema Bhakti is called as non-fragmented happiness. All the fragmented are present in each separately in non-fragmented. Thus, I have narrated you about our own family.
In this way you can see how
In this way, you can see how
devotional service to the Lord,
devotional service to the Lord
this is all these good qualities.
produces all these good qualities.
And this we want to promote in the world.
At least we want to promote in the world.
If people have this good these qualities of devotion and love for Krishna,
At least people should have the good qualities, devotion for qualities of devotion for Krishna.
then that will produce a world which is ideal.
then that will produce a world which is ideal. Maitri replied, Goddess, where are you going now, all alone? Prema Bhakti said, Maitri, our shelter, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Sri Vishwambara, who is displaying the pastimes of all incarnation at present, has desired to display the mood of Vrindavaneshwari, Radha. And so on. His order, I am going to purify everyone's heart.
So, this drama is showing the confidential purpose of Lord Chaitanya's avatar.
So this drama is showing the confidential purpose of Lord Chaitanya's avatar.
He wanted to display the mood of Radharani.
He wanted to display the mood of Radharani.
Prema Bhakti is purifying everyone's heart.
So Prema Bhakti is purifying everyone's heart,
So that they can be part of the pastimes
so they can be part of the pastimes
of the Lord.
of the Lord. Maitri replied, Where? Prema Bhakti said, To the place where the Lord, the well-wisher of all the worlds and the recipient of everyone's love, imbibing the mood of Radharani, will dance like her.
Where could that be?
Where could that be? Maitri replied, Where is that? Prema Bhakti said,
Aha!
Acharya Ratna's courtyard. Maitri replied, How is that being the Supreme Personality of Godhead? He will dance in the mood of a woman. Prema Bhakti answered, Child, you don't understand. The Supreme Personality of Godhead is indeed the reservoir of all rasas and performs different pastimes according to the desire of all devotees. Each according to his own desire, the devotees follow him in his pastimes, but to bring her, Radha's ecstatic love into the hearts of some intimate devotees, the Lord will now act her supreme pastimes. Nothing is sweeter than this.
And Prema Bhakti is revealing
So Prema Bhakti is revealing
confidential information about Lord Chaitanya's
the confidential information about Lord Chaitanya's
incarnation. How the Lord is the source of all rasa.
How the Lord is the source of all the rasa.
So he wants to act out the pastime of Radharani.
So he wants to act on the pastime of Srimati Radharani.
Act out.
Act
Out.
up.
Out.
Out.
So this is nothing is more sweet than this.
So nothing is more sweeter than this. Maitri said, Tell me, will this dance be a Ankarupa or Parikirnakam? Oh, a formal play with separate acts or miscellaneous chapter? Prema Bhakti replied, It will be a play with acts.
So this whole exchange between Maitri and Prema Bhakti,
So this whole exchange between Maitri and Prema Bhakti
the kind of prelude and introduction
is a prelude or introduction
to the drama which will follow.
to the drama which will follow.
So this is to prepare the audience
So this is to prepare the audience
what is about to follow.
for the drama that follows.
So which deity starts in Vrindavan and ends in Vrindavan?
Which deity starts in Vrindavan and ends in Vrindavan?
You say, think hard.
You see, think hard.
Who starts in Vrindavan and ends in Vrindavan?
Jagannath. They are saying Jagannath, Guru Maharaj. Rajapur Jagannath, they are saying.
Because normally in Jagannath Puri,
Because normally in Jagannath Puri,
Jagannath lives in Nilachal.
Jagannath lives in Nilachal,
It's not different from Dwarka.
which is not different from Dwaraka.
So he goes to Gundicha,
So he goes to Gundicha,
which is Vrindavan.
which is Vrindavan.
But the Ulta Rath takes him back to Dwarka.
But the Ulta Rath takes him back to Dwaraka.
But in Rajapur, Navadvip,
But in Rajapur, Navadvip,
Lord Jagannath Baladev Subhadra
Lord Jagannath Baladev Subhadra
live in Vrindavan
live in Vrindavan.
because Navadvip is not different from Vrindavan.
Because Navadvip is non-different from Vrindavan.
So he starts in Vrindavan and he ends up in Vrindavan.
So he starts in Vrindavan and he ends up in Vrindavan
And never leaves Vrindavan.
and never leaves Vrindavan.
Just like it says that Krishna never leaves Raja.
In this way it is said that Krishna never leaves Vraja.
So Lord Jagannath Baladev Subhadra Rajapur,
So Lord Jagannath Baladev Subhadra of Rajapur,
they start from Vrindavan and they end up in Vrindavan.
so they start from Vrindavan and they end up in Vrindavan.
They never leave Vrindavan.
They never leave Vrindavan.
So on July 1st, Wednesday, we're having the return Rath of Lord Jagannath.
So July 1st, Wednesday, we are having the Ulta Rath, the return Rath of Lord Jagannath.
And so because we heard that it's difficult for everyone to register,
Because we heard that it is difficult for everyone to register,
although we'll have registration,
although we have registration,
we'll also request to the temples and yatras
but we also request to the temples and the yatras
that if they can take a Rath
if they can take a Rath
and sponsor a Rath with 500 participants.
sponsor a Rath for 500 participants.
So that way we can have many Raths with many devotees
So in that way we can have many Raths with many devotees participating.
So it's only 2 more days to the return Rath.
So it is only 2 more days for the return Rath.
Please get your either register or get your temple president
Please register or get your temple president
to sponsor one of the Raths.
to sponsor one of the Raths.
And thank you very much.
And thank you very much.
Do you like our ad-free videos? Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We publish new videos every day, and don't forget to like and share our channel.